सो हाय, वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। सो इन दिस HOD सीरीज हम तीन चार चीज़ों पे काम कर रहे हैं। फर्स्ट, आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस, देन वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रेंड ऑफ द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन, देन फिर हम क्वेश्चंस को देख लेते हैं, एंड लास्टली व्हाट ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज किस बुक से कवर करना है। सो फॉर एंशिएंट इंडिया, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बुक इज गोइंग टू बी ओनली उपिंदर सिंह। उसके साथ में ओनली यू कैन डू RS शर्मा। Okay, so we already know the trend. The topic for today that we are having is megalithic. Now this is a very small topic, but even then UPSC asks one question from in 4 to 5 years. तो अभी एक क्वेश्चन 2021 में आया, तो probability less important, but still let us understand, because those of you who are doing self study you require कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है। तो हमारा जो टॉपिक है मेगालिथिक कल्चर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ दीज पेस्टोरल एंड फार्मिंग कल्चर्स आउटसाइड द इंडस, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी लाइफ, settlements, development of agriculture, craft, pottery and iron industry. All of us need to understand that this megalithic culture is contemporary with Vedic period in the northern India. So at the same point of time we see the beginning of iron, or the beginning of the iron industry in North India as well as in South India, as well as here we also see the beginning of community life. Okay, so this is what the syllabus is. Then if we see the overall trend, so we have seen 4 questions, 4 ही क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है। वन क्वेश्चन विच इज अ डिबेट टाइप क्वेश्चन केम लास्ट ईयर, दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट प्रोग्राम विच विल स्पेसिफिकली डू फॉर पीपल हु आर राइटिंग मेंस. So will it be proper to consider megaliths to represent a single homogeneous or contemporaneous culture? So if we see the time period of megalithic period, it is from 1100 BC to 300 BC. So 800 साल के लिए लगभग megalithic culture was dominant in South India. Okay, other than in South India, it's also found in Deccan, ठीक है, नागपुर के आसपास के एरिया में, even in छत्तीसगढ़. Some parts of megalithic also found in Bihar as well as in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so since there is so much of regional variation, we cannot call it contemporaneous or even the homogeneous culture. That was the question which I have UPSC. What kind of material life and culture system is revealed in the megalithic culture? So megalithic culture में जो भी हमें पता चलता है maximum it is from the grave culture. That's why it is known as megalithic culture. So there are different kinds of megalithic differentiation which we need to understand, right? तो वो जब हम समझ लेंगे specifically, then only we can write the answer. Second, in what ways can the megalithic culture be considered a foundational phase of the history of peninsular India? So this is the time period during which we see the beginning of the initial script, beginning of the initial state system, beginning of initial art and craft, as well as the beginning of tank irrigation. So all these important areas of human life, they started during the megalithic period, because of which UPSC asked the question, can it be called a foundation phase? Now this statement has been picked by UPSC directly from RS Sharma. आप पढ़ोगे ना वहाँ पे तो foundation ही बोलते हैं उसको of the South India. So that's why I'll recommend you to refer RS Sharma in addition to Upinder Singh. Okay, and discuss the extent, settlement pattern and subsistence economy of the megalithic cultures. And last one again, the distribution and significance of farming culture outside the Indus system. So this is the only syllabus, और उसी के हिसाब से 4 क्वेश्चन आ गए यहाँ से. Okay, so from the previous year questions you need to understand the diversity of question which can be asked from one specific topic. So here we have seen कि बहुत ही कम diversity है, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. So we have only one chapter number 5, in which Indian megalithics, Upinder Singh Vidya. Other than this, you can also read the RS Sharma. So from RS Sharma, you have to just read the topic, the dawn of the history in South India. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे मेगालिथिक जो है अच्छे से कवर किया हुआ है. So if we see this topic, very brief topic, not that much to discuss. Only thing that we need to understand is कि इसमें उपिंदर सिंह के साथ में RS शर्मा भी पढ़ लेना है. 4-5 तरीके के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, उन्हीं को आपको ठीक से बस रट्टा मार लेना है. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम मेगालिथिक. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में फिर हम बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. ऑल द बेस्ट.